Hey everybody, what's up? It's me, Darren, and today we're back in St. Francisville, Louisiana, this time at Rosedown Plantation. Well, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you probably remember that we've been out here before. We had a whole tour of the house. Remember, we walked through with that tour guide. I wasn't happy with the way that video came out because I didn't do voiceovers and it was just all scenery with music. And that's okay, a lot of you liked it anyway. Well, today is just going to be a short one. St. Francisville is around 47 minutes from my place, so I decided to drive on out here today, even though it's late in the afternoon, to get a couple of 360-degree photos and videos that I think will come out pretty interesting. So we're not going to get all YouTubey today. One, we don't have time. I'm only here for a couple of hours. And two, I'm just going to try to get these two shots, but I wanted to take you with me so we can see how they come out. All right, everybody, so this is what we're going to do. I'm at the end of this long path that leads all the way up to the main house, the Rosedown Plantation. And I've got my 360-degree camera. And what I'm going to do is extend it and walk this whole path. And with the trees and the path, I think it's going to give the impression that I'm being followed by a drone. And it may come out interesting, so let's give it a shot.
This is the road to Rosedown Plantation, built in 1835 for the price of $13,000. The original owners, Daniel and Martha Turnbull, probably couldn't imagine in their wildest dreams that 200 years later, some guy would be on their property with a 360-degree camera, taking photos and videos that could be seen around the world. Own a handheld device. If you enjoy my 360-degree photos, you can follow me on Instagram as well. I post a lot on there at Dream Disturber. And if you want to help out my YouTube channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. It helps YouTube put my videos in the algorithm, and it gives people a chance to see them that may not see them otherwise. Now we're coming upon the geometric gardens that sit right in front of Rosedown Plantation, designed by Martha Turnbull herself. Look at the size of this plantation. That thing is huge.
So now we're in front of the main house after that long walk, and I think this would also be a great place to take a 360-degree tiny planet photo. As you see, it's got a very intricately landscaped garden area in front of it. So we're going to take this photo, and if we have enough time after that, I'll show you a little bit of the property. This is all part of the rock gardens. I don't know if this was a thing back then. It looks like it was part of something else at one point, but isn't this cool? It's got a little walkway here. Let's see where it goes. Well, that's strange. It's just comes right out to more of the gardens, but it really is awesome. It's a doorway, a cave. Here's a greenhouse that's also on the property right across from the main house. We're not able to go inside, but you can see that they do keep it all filled up with plants and flowers.
This building is the doctor's office. It was built on the property in 1844 after the owner's son passed away from yellow fever.
Here's one of the fountains. Looks like it's not in service at the moment. I think the last time I was here it was. So maybe this is the fountain that I remember. Let's go ahead and get a little closer to it to see what it's like. Here's an old barn. Let's go get a little closer to this and see what this is all about. A couple of old wagons. Ooh, and there's one really old one back there. Cool. These are carriages, I would dare to say. All right, everybody. Well, that's about it. It's almost 5 o'clock, so I have to head on back. Like I said, this was just going to be a short one. I wanted to just get those shots, see how they came out, that video and that photo. And we may post this for you, I may not. But thank you so much for watching. And we'll come back. We'll show you more of the gardens here, but just not today, guys. See you on the next one.